Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today we'll see another real-time scenario basis question. Okay, a scenario basis interview question. So before going to that, I want to introduce our channel, the Cognitive Coders. So here we are uploading daily basis videos and daily basis quiz also. Okay, you can participate on the quiz. You can join our telegram channel for participating in the quiz. Also in our community, YouTube community, we are posting the quiz. You can participate on that, and you can go through this important videos for different MNCs for data engineering, what they have asked. I have given our based on my solution. I tried to explain it. Okay, if you have any other kinds of solution, please put your solution in the comment so that I also can learn from you guys, and lots of people who are watching in these videos, they also can get benefit from you guys input. Okay, so when you guys will share the thing, then you other people also get the benefit from that only. Okay, so one request from my side, guys, that you many peoples are coming everyday basis in our channel and getting seeing the videos and all, but not subscribing our channel. Okay, this is really demotivating us. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel so that we can grow and we can reach to the broader audience, whoever is aspiring for the data engineering related job, we can help them. Okay, so please do like, share and subscribe, and without wasting time I will go to my notebook. Okay, so one thing I want to mention, we have three playlists. Okay, and uploading one playlist also, coming one another playlist also for with the basic with the scenario based interview question. Okay, you can go through it for PySpark and databricks. We have this PySpark database playlist. There I have uploaded 63 videos. There all the basic functions of PySpark, the libraries I have explained here, and this is the real-time scenario basis real-time scenario wala video where the in real-time use cases what we used to use in PySpark, that I have explained. Okay, and this is the PySpark interview question, the lots of companies interview question I have posted here. Okay, so please go through all the videos for getting the best thing on data engineering PySpark. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's go to our notebook. So here what we'll do, so here they have given one data set to us. So employee ID and team ID. Okay, so each and in your organization, suppose in your organization you have multiple teams. Each team has IDs and employee ID. Each employee has ID. So each and every employee from which team this data set will tell you. Okay, so what they want given an employee data set with two columns, employee ID and team ID. Okay, so we can see it from here. Okay, after that compute the team size for each employee. So they want for each employee uh, the what is the team size. Okay, so they basically want the data like this. Okay, so yeah, the output is this, the input is this. Okay, so in output what I am getting, employee ID 1, team size is 3, 2, 3, 3 also is 3. So how it is coming? So you can see it here. Employee ID 1, it is from team ID 8, 2 is from team ID 8, 3 is from team ID. So from team ID 8 there are 3 people. Okay, so for 1 is also the number will be 3, teams for team size number. 2 is also number will be 3, 3 will be also number will be 3, because the team ID 8 team size is 3. Okay, so based on that you are getting the data. So 5 and 6 also it will be 2 and 2, and for 4 only team ID 7 only have one employee, it is 4, so that's why it is 1. Okay, so let's try to implement the thing. Okay, so I will implement the thing based on my way. Okay, if you have any other approaches, please do comment on the video comment section. Okay, and if you have any kinds of doubt, you can connect with me via LinkedIn, via Topmate, or via Instagram also. Okay, all the links has been given to the video description box. So let's start the solution. So first what we'll do, we'll create one data frame. Okay, so we'll create another data frame. Okay, so using our given data frame, so they want us the team size of each employee. So for getting the team size, we need to first use the group by operation on the team id, because if we group by the team id, based on that we can get the count. So from df dot group by team id. Okay, so the group by then team id. So now what we can do, we can use for get after that, after group by, we for getting the count, for using the count, we'll use the aggregation function. Okay, so what is the aggregation function, that I have already explained in my video, the PySpark database video. You can go through it, or I will give it to the I button, you can directly access to it. Okay, access from it. Okay, so uh, now I'm using the aggregation. Now count will give star. Okay, then after that we'll give one new column name, as I am storing it in a new column. So something like, what I can give, team size. Okay, anything whatever you want you can give. So let's see how the data is coming. df1 dot show. Okay, okay, now my data is coming like that. For team id 8, the team size is 3, team id 7, it is 1, 9, is 2. Okay, now where we have team id for both the data sets, now we can perform the join. So it is my final df. I can use final df, final df. So here what we will do, we will join both the data frames, df dot df1 okay, sorry, df dot join df1, then based on which column we want to join the data frame, based on team id. Okay, I'll use team id. So now I can use this show function, final df dot show. Okay, show. Now I'm getting the whole data. Okay, for each and every team, for team id, employee id, and team size, all the data I'm getting in a single df. So from here we don't record the whole thing, we just record for each and every employee what is the team size. So I'm getting it from here. So I can drop the team id column. So you can use the drop method from here, or you can use the select method. When if you use the select method, then you need to use the select employee id and team size. Okay, I'm using here the drop method for dropping the team id. Okay, team id, if I want to drop, now I'm getting the data. So what was our output? Here our output was 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 1 5 2 and 6 2. What is there? 1 3 2 3 3 3 5 4 1 5 2 6. Okay, so everything is okay, I think. So this is the main output. So we got the output. Okay, so this is the simple thing, but if uh, when you practice it, then only it will be easy for you. Okay, otherwise it will not. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. So, okay, please support us. Without your support, we can't grow. You can see lots of video I'm upload continuously. We are uploading. Okay, please go through the video. It will be very much useful for you guys. The real-time scenario videos are very much useful, I can say, guys. You can go through this playlist. Lots of companies interviewed, this kind of question has been asked. Okay, you can go through this video, real-time scenario with this video, and the scenario based interview question playlist. Okay, this all videos are very much useful. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.